Delicious halloumi fries cooked in a Tefal Actifry Airfryer. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today, just for a change, I'm going to be making some halloumi fries. Now you're going to probably say, well, everybody's done that, but I'm going to make halloumi fries in a Tefal Actifry Airfryer. And here it is, one of my all-time favourite kitchen gadgets. Now we need some flavouring. I'm going to be using paprika, black pepper and some garlic powder, my favourite flavours. You can use whatever you want. I mean, after all, there's so many flavours that you can choose from. It's endless, but I'd steer clear of too much salt because, as you know, halloumi is very salty anyway. So yeah, make it your choice what you want to use. So I'm going to take a dish, and into this dish I'm going to crack an egg. And then I'm going to add my spices. As I said before, you can use whatever you want. These are my three favourites. Give these a good mix together. Bit tricky because they're dry ingredients mixing in with the egg. Good old mix, job done. So, here's our halloumi. We're going to take his jacket off and cut this into fries, or some people call them chips. Now what I've done with this halloumi, I've put it in the freezer just for a little while, about 15 minutes, and then you'll find it cuts a lot easier. Just be a little bit gentle when you're cutting it. It does tend to break up if you're not really careful. So I'll just crack on with doing these and I'll see you in a little while. So now I'm going to start by dipping these fries into the flavoured egg wash, then into some nice crispy breadcrumbs. Take them out of there, put them to one side on a plate, into the egg wash, into the breadcrumbs, roll them over a little bit. These breadcrumbs are what's going to give a really nice crunch to your finished halloumi fries. So let's crack on. I'll get these done. And there you have it, ready for the air fryer. They look delicious already, but I'm not going to eat them just yet. So there's our air fryer. Open it up and pop in the fries. But first I take the paddle out because we don't need that. So I'll put that to one side. A little bit of oil on the bottom. This is just going to stop the fries from sticking. Brush that around nice and evenly. Hope you guys have got one of these air fryers. You can use any air fryer you want. If you haven't got an air fryer, try the oven. Now these are going to take about 15 or 20 minutes. Now this air fryer doesn't have any adjustments for the heat. It's just got one set heat lamp, which is now partway through, I'll lift the lid and just give these a little bit of a turn around, just to be sure that they're cooking nice and evenly. I mean, they're starting to look pretty good. Well, I think so anyway. But you notice the ones at the back sort of get a bit more brown, but I think that's where the heat from the air fryer comes in first and it gets a bit hotter. Down the lid, and then we're going to give them a second blast. And then, as you can see, they're done. Now that's looking pretty good. And there they are, all plated up, ready to munch. Yeah, really tasty. I shall definitely do these again. So easy too. You don't always have to have the air fryer, you can use an oven of course. It's really delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this video of mine. Please stay subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and click that little button. I'd love it. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye for now.